What is going on, my Kanita athletes? All right, we're gonna get this Kanita Olympic Challenge going to celebrate, commemorate the Olympics that are happening right now in France. We are gonna do our own challenge, all right? So basically there's gonna be 4 events. We've got like a cardio event, a lower body, a upper body, and a core event, all right? In each of those events, you have the opportunity to win gold, silver, or medal. Pretty simple. I'm gonna show you different modifications that you can do. All right, so basically you want to do something, a little bit of something every day, okay? So getting your core, upper body, lower body, and some cardio in every day. So step challenge, you're just gonna count your steps. So you're walking to your car, walking back, walking to the office, walking to wherever you are, taking the stairs, get in as many steps as you can. All right, so the team that gets the most steps, accumulated steps, is going to win gold. And then of course, second place will get silver and then bronze, right? So you guys are gonna combine your steps together as a team to win the gold medal, okay? So steps is easy. Next one is a squat. So your squat, as a team, you're gonna combine your total number of squats as a team, all right? So you are basically, every time you stand up, sit down at your desk, at your chair, that's a squat. So every time you sit down in your chair, you're sitting down, that's a squat. Every time you sit down on the toilet, that's a squat. Every time you sit down into your vehicle, that's a squat. All right, so count those. So you guys are squatting every day. If you want to add additional squats, all I want you to do is you're going to take your hips and then you're just going to sit back. All right, we're going to push your bum back and we're just going to squat. Okay, your feet are going to be about shoulder width apart, toes pointing out, and you're just going to sit down, stand up. Right, so it's not a hinge forward. Basically, if you want, just put a chair underneath your bum, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up. All right, so that is a squat. All right, so we're gonna do as many squats as we can as a team. The next one is a plank, all right, getting the core. So a few different ways you can do the core. All right, you're just gonna hold, you're gonna stack the shoulders above the wrist. I want the hips parallel, so with that back and upper body nice and straight. And you're just gonna hold this 10 seconds at a time, 20 seconds at a time. The team that accumulates the longest plank will win the gold medal, all right? So you want to time yourself. Do 10 seconds in the morning, 10 seconds at lunch, 10 seconds at dinner. That's a 30-second plank every day, all right? If you need to drop to your knees, you can drop to your knees as well. You can go from the elbows in the knees or elbows and toes, all right? So a few different versions, all right? You could do that off the floor. If you have your desk, you could do it on top of your desk as well and do that plank that way. Then the last one is the push-up. I know a lot of people are afraid of push-ups. If you have shoulder injuries, elbow injuries, wrist injuries, it can be difficult. I'll show you a few different options. So option 1, the regular push-up, you're just gonna get down, abs nice and tight, chest touches the floor, and then up, okay? Option number 2, you're gonna drop to your knees and do your push-up from your knees, all right? Keeping that chest down and keeping the hips down. And then your third option, add an incline, so from your desk, you could do your push-ups off your desk. Your last and final option, you're just gonna use a wall, all right? So here, abs nice and tight, you're just gonna lean forward and push. Lean forward, push, okay? So the more vertical you are, the easier it is. The more horizontal you are, the harder it is. All right, so play with the angle, okay? So the more vertical, the easier it is. The more horizontal, the harder it is. So as you work your way down to the ground, the harder it's gonna be, but play around with the angle. Again, 5 push-ups in the morning, 5 push-ups at your coffee break, 5 push-ups at lunch, 5 in your afternoon coffee break, 5 for dinner, 5 before bed. You're at 20, 25 push-ups every day. All right, so that is what, 50, that's 100, that's 125 Monday to Friday. All right, so try to do a little bit of everything every day. So you get your upper body, you get your core, you get your lower body, and get some steps in. This is the Kanita Olympics. Let's go. Good luck to everybody.